So the background to this case and the requisition that we're discussing today is that the board of the VCT, the independent board, decided in March 2024, last year, to begin a strategic review process. And the reason they did that was because performance had been weak. The share price had been in steady decline. The type and quality of companies coming into the portfolio had been suboptimal, and performance had suffered as a result. The manager had also diversified into private equity and had lost just over 9 million in 3 private equity deals. And the board felt at that stage it had to act. And following the completion of the strategic review process, where a number of managers were beauty paraded, Maven was appointed the fund manager on the 1st of May this year. Subsequent to that, and Amati being paid termination fee, the former fund manager and certain associates have requisitioned a general meeting with just over 5% of the equity, and shareholders will have the opportunity to vote on that in the coming days and weeks.